Hello, Tashi Delek, everybody. Uh, Welcome to my new video. Before I talk about today's topic, I would like to express my grateful to all Tibetan brothers and sisters, as well as Himalayan brothers and sisters, and also many Indian YouTubers who came forward and spoken about His Holiness the Dalai Lama and raise your voice against media. I'm very thankful to all of you. And if you look at this small portion of the video which has disturbed all of us, now people have investigated it. Now we came to know that this video is originated from the Chinese source. So now we can understand that this is a Chinese propaganda. So Chinese, they have created this video intentionally to make a division between the Tibetan community and Indian community. His Holiness the Dalai Lama, he has a sense of care and love for entire human being, especially he has a sense of care and love for the children, So he hugs and he kisses to the children, and he has hugged to the many children. He hugs to the Western children and Tibetan children, many Southeast Asian children. So why the Chinese, they have picked up this young Indian boy? So it is clearly indicates that they wanted to make a division between the Tibetan community and Indian community. And once again, unfortunately, Chinese, they become failed. They were not able to make a division between Tibetan community and Indian community. So Chinese once again failed their missions or their target. Then unfortunately, this small portion of video, like a few seconds of the video, which is cut and edited by this Chinese government, the media, they have never done any investigation thoroughly regarding this video, and they have covered this news on their TV channels. So if you look at the complete video, full video, then you can see that boy himself giving a statement to the media that he was very happy to meet His Holiness the Dalai Lama, and he has received a lot of positive energy from His Holiness the Dalai Lama. And the boy's mother, she was saying that she was very pleased to meet His Holiness the Dalai Lama, and it has been very blissful to meet His Holiness the Dalai Lama. So the boy was happy and the mother was happy, then family were happy. His Holiness the Dalai Lama did not hurt to the boy and mother and the entire family. His Holiness the Dalai Lama did not give any uncomfortable feeling to the boy and his family. The media who have shown this few seconds of the video, and you have heard not only to the millions and millions of the followers of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, you have also heard to the boy and the boy's family. So you have traumatized the boy and the boy's family. So media, you are becoming a child abusers, not His Holiness the Dalai Lama. So therefore, once again, I would like to demand all the media, especially the Indian media, NDTV, India Today, you must apologize to His Holiness the Dalai Lama and the follower of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Also, you have to apologize to the boy and the boy's family. So therefore, I would like to request all my viewers, those who have a contact with the media, especially with these NDTV, India Today, and all other Indian medias who have covered this news on their TV channels. If you have a contact with them, I request to you to send my message to them. This is what I wanted to say. That's all. Thank you.